Do you know many people are having trouble with unlocking their GE dishwasher? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find panel. Locate the control panel on the front of the dishwasher for easy access. Step 2. Identify pads. Identify the dry boost pad or the Steam-Sani, Presoak-Sani, Sanitize pads. Step 3. Press and hold. Press and hold either the dry boost pad or the combination of the other pads simultaneously. Step 4. Wait 3 seconds. Continue holding the pads for a full 3 seconds to disengage the lock. Step 5. Verify unlock. Observe if the lock controls light is off, indicating the panel is unlocked. After following these steps, your dishwasher's control panel should be unlocked. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other GE users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.